Many of us, when opening a new app, see a message saying, "Allow this app to access your current location." And most people just tap "Allow" without thinking twice. But the truth is, this permission isn't as harmless as it looks. It can reveal your real location in real time, even if your VPN is on or Wi-Fi is off. This isn't just about privacy, it's also about personal security. Some companies and apps record your movements to sell the data to advertisers, or even use it against you without your knowledge. Today's topic is extremely serious, more dangerous than you might imagine, and you'll learn things you've never heard before. Stay with me. Before showing you which apps should or shouldn't have access to your location, let's first set up things correctly. Go to Settings, Location, App Permissions. You'll see three lists: apps allowed all the time, apps allowed only while in use, apps not allowed. In a few seconds, I'll explain which app belongs to which category. Then you can open each app and choose the proper setting. Stay tuned. Apps that should have location access, but with caution. Some essential apps really need your location to work properly. Google Maps or any GPS app. Without location access, it can't guide you or show directions. Delivery and ride-sharing apps, Uber, Careem, Talabat, etc. They need your location so the driver can reach you. Weather apps. Set to while using the app only, so it can show weather in your current area. Find My Device helps locate your phone if it's lost or stolen, so keep it enabled. Even for these apps, always choose Allow only while using the app. Not always. Apps you should block location access from immediately. Many apps ask for this permission without any real reason. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X. Use your location to target ads and track your movements. WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram. They only need your location when you manually share it. Never give them permanent access. Shopping apps. Amazon, Jumia, Noon. They can get your address manually. They don't need constant location tracking. Mobile games. Most games have nothing to do with your location. They use it for ad tracking. Apps you can allow or block, depending on your needs. Camera gallery. These sometimes store your photo's location in metadata. Disable it if you don't need that feature. Banking, payment apps. Some request location for extra security. If you use them frequently outside home, you can keep it on. Finally, by setting your location permissions wisely, you'll make sure your phone works normally without selling your data to advertisers every single day. I hope this helped you stay safer and more aware. See you in the next video.